Do you know, immersing yourself in UK's rich culture while advancing your career there is not a dream anymore, especially for young Indians aged 18 to 30, क्योंकि ये reality अब आपकी reach में है, for which all thanks to the India Young Professionals Scheme Visa. In today's video, we will explore this exciting opportunity covering everything from eligibility criteria to application tips, ensuring you are fully prepared to embark on this incredible journey. Well, the India Young Professional Scheme Visa आखिर है क्या? The India Young Professional Schemes Visa is a unique initiative stemming from the UK-India Migration and Mobility Partnership. ये स्कीम हर साल 3,000 यंग इंडियन नेशनल्स को अलाउ करती है टू लिव एंड वर्क इन द यूके फॉर अप टू 2 years. It's a fantastic opportunity to gain international experience, enhance your professional skills and immerse yourself in a new culture. वहीं नेक्स्ट बात करें कि इसका eligibility criteria क्या है. So, to be eligible for this scheme, you must be an Indian citizen aged between 18 and 30, hold a bachelor's degree or higher qualification recognized by UK standards. Thirdly, have at least 25-30 pounds in savings to support yourself initially. And lastly, not have any dependent children under the age of 18 living with you or whom you are financially responsible for. It's also important to note that you cannot apply if you have previously been in the UK under this scheme or the Youth Mobility Scheme. Coming to the ballot system, your first step. Unlike traditional visa applications, this scheme operates on a ballot system. Here's how it works. Number 1, enter the ballot. During specified periods, आप अपना expression of interest online submit कर सकते हो. Most places February ballot में available होती हैं, while the remaining places will be made available in the second and final ballot, that is in July. Second, selection process. Entries randomly select होती हैं and if you are successful, you will receive an invitation to apply for the visa. Thirdly, application window. Once invited, you have 90 days to submit your visa application, including all necessary documents and fees. Now coming to the application process, step by step. After receiving your invitation, follow these steps. Number 1, online application. Complete the application form on the official UK government website. Number 2, documentation. Prepare and upload सारे requirement documents को including a valid passport, proof of qualifications, financial statements showing the required savings, tuberculosis test results if applicable. Number 3, fees. Pay the visa application fee, that is pounds 298 and the healthcare surcharge of 1,552 pound, which grants you access to the UK's National Health Service NHS during your stay. Number 4, biometrics. Schedule and attend an appointment to provide your fingerprints and photograph. Number 5, decision. After submission, you will typically receive a decision within 3 weeks. With this visa, you can work in most jobs including self-employment with certain restriction. Study, however, some courses may require an academic technology approval scheme, that is ATAS certificate. Travel freely into and out of the UK during your visa's validity. On the other hand, ऐसी भी चीजें हैं that you cannot have. That is, extend your stay beyond the 2 years, access the public funds or benefits, include family members in your application, they must apply separately. So ये सब चीजें हैं जिनके perks हट जाते हैं. अब बात करें अब tips की for a successful application, तो enhance your chances with these tips. Number 1, prepare early, gather all the necessary documents well in advance. Secondly, financial readiness. Ensure your funds have been in your account for at least 28 consecutive days before applying. Thirdly, stay informed. Regularly check official UK government websites for updates on ballot dates and application procedures. To maximize this opportunity, network. Connect with professionals in your field through events and platforms like LinkedIn, Secondly, cultural immersion. Engage in local events, travel, and community activities to enrich your experience day by day. Thirdly, skill development. Very important. Consider short courses or workshops to enhance your employability. The India Young Professional Scheme Visa is a remarkable pathway to broaden your horizons, gain valuable international experience, and contribute to your personal and professional growth. If you meet the eligibility criteria, don't hesitate to seize this opportunity. Have questions or experience to share? Just drop them in the comments below. We would love to hear from you and even respond to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.